Welcome back to SMKR. This is Steve. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share. Up next is the Mi-24-35 Hind Helicopter. This book covers the legendary Soviet attack type Mi-24 Hind Helicopter. And I must say, this is the best book I've seen on the Hind Helicopter to date. I have several of them in my library, but this one is very thorough and one of the largest collections of different models of Hind helicopters out there. It comprises of 216 pages. It is written by Jakub Fojtík. It is part of the Yellow series of books by Mushroom Models Publications. Head over to mmpbooks.biz to purchase this book today. I highly recommend it. Inside the book, the chapters contained is acknowledgments, an introduction, the first Soviet attack attempts, for attack only, for attack type, in tandem, special missions, training makes the master, in the new era, keeping fighting, record breakers, prototypes on the home front and in the world, Mi-24 technical description, the bibliography, and abbreviations. This book has many beautiful color illustrations by Janusz, Światłoń. This book is fantastic, and the models covered within this book is the Mi-24A, the Mi-24D, Mi-24V, the Mi-24P, as well as the last Mi-24VP production variant. Also contained in this book is the current development and service up to the Mi-35M attack model and the latest Mi-35MS VIP modifications. Contained in this book also you will find many photographs of the interior cockpit control panels, the colors, lots of color illustrations throughout this book, lots of 1/72 scale line drawings for the scale modeler out there. If you are a scale modeler and you happen to be building some of the current releases that are out there from Edward and even the older monogram kit and some of the trumpeter kits of the Hind, then this book is definitely for you. It will give you many ideas on color schemes, the paint, the weaponry contained on all models of the Hind, and all countries that happen to be flying this. Some of the countries that fly the Hind is the Czech Republic, the French, Israeli, Polish, Slavic, South American, UK, Ukrainian, and of course Russia. Also, the current PSV demonstrator are described in detail inside of this book. Also contained within the book is a list of serial numbers that were produced throughout from the very beginning, and it lists where those aircraft were sold to, who happens to own them, and where they may be today. So that list is updated all the way up to 2016. So for example, in 2016, Mi-24P, 4 of them were sold to Angola. So the origin of the helicopter was from Russia. If you're a scale modeler and you're looking for that supreme book on the MI Hind Helicopter, then this is the book for you. I highly recommend it, and don't wait, because it will not stay on the shelf for very long. This highly illustrated and documented book of the Hind Helicopter is a must, and the photographs in here are extraordinary. The walk-arounds are very complete and precise and clear. Don't pass this book up. It's a must-have for the scale modeler and helicopter enthusiast out there. And there you have it. This was the Mushroom Models Publications, MMP Books, MIL, Mi-24-35 Hind Helicopter. Remember, I will put a link in the description below on how you can purchase this book, both from MMP Books or even from Amazon. If you would like to see more MMP Books reviews on my channel, then click on the bell down below and notifications will be sent to you on new video uploads and book reviews from MMP Books. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy modeling.